Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer beef short ribs with Sweet Baby Ray's teriyaki sauce. Let's begin. We have here some beef short ribs. I got it $4 off, so I paid around $5.49 per pound. Okay, let's open it up. We're going to cut the beef short ribs into chunks. Cut them in between the bones. Next, we're going to season it with some garlic salt. There we go. Flip them over, do the same thing. We have all the beef short ribs seasoned with garlic salt. We're going to put it in a bag. Next, we're going to marinate the beef short ribs with Sweet Baby Ray's teriyaki sauce. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce. We're going to seal it up. Remove some of the air and close it up. Next, we're going to mix around with the marinade. There we go, the beef short ribs is evenly coated with the teriyaki sauce. We're going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We took the beef short ribs out of the fridge and now let's start cooking. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the beef short ribs. Try to give them some room, space them out. Okay, let's put it in. Gonna turn it on. Gonna set it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 4 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking good. Let's flip them over real quick. There we go. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. We flipped them all over, and now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer beef short ribs with Sweet Baby Ray's teriyaki sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.